In this video I'll show you how to install the IKEA Valevag mattress on the Malm bed. I have the Luroy slatted bed base.
Valevag extra firm 180 44 kilos.
IKEA makes different sizes of the Valevag mattress, but this is the 180, the biggest size, the biggest one, and it's also the extra firm version. These handles, you could easily remove them. It's just a zip tie, and I think it's good to keep them just in case if you want them for something. Using a scissors is the easiest thing. I realized I could use this, but make sure if it might be that you might pinch the mattress, so make sure that you don't cut into the mattress material. And here I actually opened the seal for the vacuum before unrolling it, so it started to release a little bit. I wanted to show you how it inflates, how the mattress inflates from completely sealed to become inflated, but it was already releasing, pulling air in. Normally this is vacuum packed and that's it. Now I have to leave it for 3 days. It will get to the full size, the normal size, but you can use it right away. You don't have to wait. Actually, it will not have the actual shape it's supposed to have until you wait for 3 days, 72 hours. Also, it might have a bit of smell of gassing, which is normal. They say this in the instructions. For 3 days is not too bad. And if you have windows around, open the windows for a while. To me, it doesn't really smell much. It's not really a big problem at all. I really like this mattress, especially the extra firm version.
Oh yeah, Valevag. Perfect. It will need some time to fully extend here. This is in the Malm. Valevag. Thanks for watching.
I tried most of the mattresses from IKEA, or all of the mattresses, and IKEA Valevag is really my favorite. I like the extra firm. They had even more firm mattresses, but this one I prefer. It has a little bit of softness. Thanks for watching.